Okay. Hello, student. Till now, we have read about the intention of Tiger King, that why he decided to kill 100 tigers and 100 innocent tigers because of the prediction of an astrologer, and he took it as that he started to take the revenge without any reason. And now we are reading that the Maharaja's anxiety reached its page number 14. The first paragraph, the Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. He had this one thought during the day and same dream at night. By this time, the tiger farm had run dry, even the father-in-law's kingdom. It means जब टाइगर किंग ने किलिंग स्टार्ट किया, फाइनली ही हैज़ किल 99 टाइगर्स. एंड उसका जो पैशन है, उसकी एंजाइटी है फीवर पिच मीन्स नाउ ही कांट टेक इट एनी मोर. बस वो लास्ट टाइगर जो है वो किल करना चाहता है विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोमेंट. एंड देन रिमेन जस्ट वन टाइगर टू अचीव, कि बस अब उसके अचीवमेंट में देयर इज वन टाइगर ओनली लेफ्ट. तो वो उससे एक टाइगर जो है दूर है 100 टाइगर्स के स्कोर करने में. दैट इज मीन्स कि बस फाइनली ही जस्ट वांट टू विन. he want to win and he want to then overcome all the predictions that has been told by the astrologer. then अब तक लेकिन क्या हुआ, उसके फादर इन लॉ के किंगडम में, इवन और उनके किंगडम में अभी कोई टाइगर लेफ्ट नहीं था. but he had to be extremely careful with the last tiger, as the astrologer has been already predicted that it is very easy to kill 99 tiger, but when he will go to kill 100th tiger, he must be very careful. What had the late astrologer, chief astrologer said? Late chief astrologer. It means now the astrologer has also been dead. Even after killing 99 tigers, Maharaja should beware of 100 tiger. True enough, the tiger was a savage beast after all. One had to be very careful, but where was that 100th tiger to be found? It seemed easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. It means it's a satire also here. Tiger milna bilkul impossible tha. Either it is living or dead. Thus the Maharaja was sunk in gloom, but soon came the happy news which dispelled that gloom in his own state. Sheep began to disappear. Sheep began to disappear frequently from a hillside village. And as we know that usually the tiger comes to the outer skirts of the village area, and he's fond of killing the sheep very easily. It was first the uncertain that this was not the work of the Khadir Milan Sahib or the Virasamy Naikar, both famed for their ability to swallow sheep whole. Surely a tiger was at the work. It means there is no human being behind the reason of disappearing the sheep. There must be an animal, and must be it's a tiger. The village ran to inform the Maharaja. The Maharaja announced 3-year exemption from all taxes. Student, अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ा कि उसने जो है almost 3 to 5 lakh rupees की ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट की, and he just forgotten all the state affairs and nothing about the state matter at all. और अभी वो क्या कर रहा है? 3 years exemption from all taxes for that village and set out on the hunt at once. उसने 3 year के टैक्स को exemption कर दिया, फ्री कर दिया उन विलेजर्स के लिए, अगर वो उसको टाइगर का एक कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कराते हैं. द टाइगर वॉज नॉट ईजीली फाउंड. इट सीम एज इफ इट हैड wantonly hid itself in order to flout the Maharaja's will. Wantonly it means mischievously. ऐसा लग रहा था कि जो टाइगर है वो उसके साथ कुछ mischievousness, कुछ उसके साथ खेल खेल रहा है. इतना उसको मिलना उसका इतना ईजी नहीं था. Maharaja was equally determined. He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found, and the tiger was found. As the days passed, Maharaja's fury and the obstinacy mounted alarmingly. Many officers lost their job. महाराज ने जंगल छोड़ने से इनकार कर दिया. उन्होंने कहा कि जब तक कि वो 100th टाइगर को नहीं मार देते, he will remain stay inside the forest. और इसी की वजह से उनके गुस्से से कितने ऑफिसर्स को अपनी जॉब खोनी पड़ी. One day when his rage was at its height, the Maharaja called Diwan and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith. गुस्से में क्या बोला कि वो लैंड टैक्स डबल कर देंगे, पीपल विल बिकम discontented and then our state too will fall a prey to the Indian National Congress. In that case you may the resign from your post, said the king. तो राजा ने धमकी दी दीवान को भी कि अगर ऐसा ही रहा तो बहुत जल्दी जो उनका स्टेट है वो दीवान को भी अपनी पोस्ट रिजाइन करना होगा. Diwan went home convinced that if the Maharaja did not find the tiger soon, the results could be the catastrophic. Catastrophic means the sad, the monotonous. It means it will be very sad. अगर जो है नहीं उनको 100 टाइगर मिला तो उनका जो रिजल्ट होगा वो बहुत सैड होगा और उसको अपनी जॉब श्योरली लॉस करनी होगी. ही फेल्ट लाइक रिटर्निंग टू हिम only when he saw the tiger which had been brought from the people park in Madras and kept hidden in his house. There was no other option. उसके सामने कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं था. फाइनली उसने एक टाइगर अरेंज किया. वो टाइगर अरेंज किया उसने मद्रास के एक जू से, एक पार्क से, जिससे कि वो अरेंज कर सके उस टाइगर को राजा के हंटिंग के लिए. एट मिड नाइट व्हेन द टाउन स्लेप्ट इन पीस, Diwan and his aged wife dragged the tiger to the car, showed it into the seat. Diwan himself drove the car straight to the forest where the Maharaja was hunting. When they reached the forest, the tiger launched its satyagraha. Satyagraha, it is mentioned here because it was the time when India also was struggling for the independence, and there were so many movements that had been started by Gandhiji's and many more other freedom fighters. Satyagraha was one of them. And they refused to get out of the car. Diwan was thoroughly exhausted in his efforts to haul the beast out of the car, push it down to the ground. It means the tiger who was kept inside the car, he just refused to come out of it. As it know that he is here, he is know very well why he has taken from the zoo. So yeah, I think it's very well known to the tiger ki now I am going to die. So that's why he refused to come out from it. On the following day, the same old tiger wandered into the Maharaja's presence, stood as if in the humble supplications, Master, what do you command of me? It was with the boundless joy that Maharaja took careful aim at the beast. Tiger fell in a crumbled heap. उसके बाद उसको निकाला गया और राजा को इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि there is a tiger that is wandering inside the forest. And Master, what do you command of me? It was with boundless joy Maharaja took careful aim at the beast. Tiger fell in the crumbled heap. महाराजा ने निशाना लगाया और उनका शिकार ढेर हो गया. I have killed the 100th tiger. My vow have been fulfilled. And the Maharaja was overcome with elation, boundless happiness. Oh, I have killed 100 tigers. Now my revenge has been completed, and he think as like he will be immortal now. So how could it possible? Ordering the tiger to be brought to the capital in the grand procession, the Maharaja hastened away in his car. He ordered his attendants that with this tiger carcass, उनके टाइगर की बॉडी के साथ एक पूरा रॉयल प्रोसेशन निकाला जाए, बिकॉज ऑफ द किंग रॉयलिटी, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज विक्ट्री, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ट्रिमेंडस विक्ट्री. और उस प्रोसेशन को पूरे सिटी में लेके जाया जाए जिससे कि सबको मालूम पड़े दैट टाइगर किंग हैज़ कंप्लीटेड हिज रिवेंज एंड नाउ ही हैज़ बीन मेड फॉल्स द प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ द एस्ट्रोलॉजर. आफ्टर द महाराजा लेफ्ट, the hunter went to take a closer look at the tiger. The tiger looked back at them, rolling its eyes in the befuddlement. The men realized that the tiger was not dead, but unfortunately, now the Maharaja, who was not at that same spot, वो जा चुके थे. उनके अटेंडेंट्स और बाकी जो हंटर्स उनके accompanying थे, उन्होंने क्या देखा? The tiger was not dead. Actually, the rolling its eyes in befuddlement, it was confused. Men realized that tiger was not dead. The bullet had missed it. It had fainted from the shock of the bullet whizzing past. It means tiger was not dead. He was just unconscious because of the noise of the gun. He just got unconscious, and the hunter wondered what they should do. They decided that the Maharaja must not come to know that he had missed the target. If he did, they could lose their jobs. One of the hunter took aim from a distance of 1 foot, shot the tiger This time he killed it without missing his mark, and they were all afraid to inform the king about his missing target. They were afraid to losing their job as well as losing their life. That is why one of the hunters who was accompanying with the tiger king, he shot the tiger dead. Students, it means the king has been missed his bullet, the king has been missed his target, so he was unable to kill the 100th tiger. It means the prediction of the astrologer may become true. So let's do the questions related to this. The question number 1 that is mentioned to the related passage: how did the Diwan manage to arrange hundredth tiger? How did the Diwan manage to arrange the 100th tiger? It means he has been arranged this tiger from the Madras park, and the tiger was old because it was very easy to kill that tiger who was very weak and old. Second is that how did the tiger king miss his aim? How or maybe why? Why do you think that he has missed his aim? So student, the answer is very clear that because he was that time overpowered. He was overpowered by his own ambitions, his intentions, his overconfidence. That is why, and he was also very much excited to killing his 100th tiger to prove the astrologer totally wrong and make himself immortal and afraid of tiger. And there are so many reasons behind this also. And last one, that the this was give the reasons for this. Give the reasons for this, such as number 1, I think the first one must be the Maharaja thought it was dead, but later on it was killed. Maharaja thought it was dead, but later. This point is related to the same question, that Maharaja thought it was dead but later. It means to say Maharaja was very overconfident, and he was really very much confident that yes, he surely had been killed the 100th tiger, and there is no need to observe the tiger either it is dead or alive or not. So he just went away from there, and his attendants observed the tiger that no, he is not dead. Actually, he has become unconscious because of the shout of the bullet. So you have to attempt both of these questions basis of your reading passage here, and tomorrow then we will continue the rest of the chapter and the reasons of that.